This is the time when the talking has to stop and the action finally begins. A warm welcome to Wembley from me, Derek Ray. I'm joined in the commentary box by Stuart Robson, and we're just seconds away from kick-off time in what promises to be a wonderful Carabao Cup final. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Everton.
What a chance for one of these teams to get their hands on silverware. And over the years, we've seen some great League Cup finals. Let's hope today matches up to some of those occasions. Really looking forward to this one, Derek.
And the match begins. So we can check on the lineup today.
Well, they've got a good front three and a solid back five. But with only two in midfield, they could get overrun. It'll be interesting to see who comes in to support them, if anybody.
And here's how Everton line up. Jordan Pickford is the keeper. Michael Keane plays with Seamus Coleman in the fullback positions. And in this tactical setup, they have just the one player in attack. Read it superbly to take back possession. And Gonzalez has it. Gomes. And Gonzalez with it. And Everton regaining possession. Kieran Dewsbury Hall. Michael Keane. And space to cross it. Well, nothing productive really. Wolves might be able to cash in from here. Giving it a try. Goalkeeper getting in the way. Superb save. Playing it in. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. Dewsbury Hall. Well, it was a foul, but good use of advantage by the referee. Advantage played. What can he do with it now? But they took care of the situation defensively. Hwang Hee-chan. Oh, good-looking run. Can he finish? Nicely blocked. Kieran Dewsbury Hall. Beto. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Pablo Sarabia. Bellegarde. Super tackle, and they've won possession. And he has options available. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. And the referee's whistle. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. And the referee sensibly allowing them to carry on, advantage with them. Will he finish? And the keeper more than equal to the task. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. Oh yes! First to score in this final, and it could be highly significant.
Well, here you can see it again. It's a superb cross, just asking for someone to go and meet it. And it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Gomes. Making progress. Who can he pick out? Teammate in support. Grealish. Oh, tremendous block. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Substitution time it is here. Kept it out and played it away. You can't really head them any better than that. But the goalkeeper was up to the task. Everton pushing to add to their advantage from this corner. And able to close down the shots. Doyle. Jean-Victor Bellegarde. And making headway. The cut back. Oh, a goal it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama?
Well, let's have another look at this, because he does really well to pick the right pass here. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Coleman. Kieran Dewsbury Hall. Idrissa Gueye. Wolves with the ball once more. And into the last 15 minutes of action. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. And he's through here. Oh, it's in! They're in front here. Now can they stay in front?
Well, they love him and he loves them. It's great scenes here. Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Coleman. 10 minutes to go. James Garner. Getting it forward, but they need an equaliser. It's not a bad ball. Oh, great header. Smart stop, though. Let's see about the delivery. Oh, I can't believe it! Twists and turns in the closing stages. And it's anyone's guess who's going to lift the trophy. Incredible!
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
So underway again at 2-2. Splendid tackle, and a throw-in coming up. Wang Hee-chan. Oh, that's a really good run. Makes the move to the inside. And the verdict of the officials is offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching here. Needs to be more alive, work harder to keep onside, and be ready for the chance.
And the referee is going to add on 4 added minutes. It's not lost on them what a goal could mean at this late stage. Angles it back. And they remain locked together, these two sides, on the back of that save.
Well, that keeps it all level. What an important save that is.
Can't miss, surely. They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time. Wolves might be able to cash. Well, the ball rolling again, no end to the action. It's the first period of extra time, and I must say this has been a back-and-forth type of game. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Beto. How can he take them on and beat them? And a chance to whip it in here. Oh, cleared away! Superb defending, massive credit. And putting his body on the line. Holman. Doherty. Now he must favour the cross. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Half-time in. Wolves might be able to cash. Well, the second period of extra time commences. What drama do we have in store for us? And Wolves in a position of menace. How can they nudge in front late on here? And a good-looking ball. Oh, a goal! Late drama here, and surely that's one hand on the trophy. So little time left for a response now.
Well, I think that shows what a good rapport he has with the players. Well, as you can see, they don't come much better than this. It's a goal of the highest quality, a wonderful piece of skill.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Idrissa Gueye. On the ball, Coleman. James Garner. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. Very effective pass. Nicely blocked. McNeil. This could square the game. And it has. Such late excitement. And no wonder they're jumping for joy as we speak.
Well, as you can see, the defending is all over the place. That's far too easy for the attackers. The goalkeeper's got absolutely no chance there.
Well, a fantastic final, and it's... And this will test the mentality of any footballer. And he finds the net. He could hardly miss. His turn to try to convert from the spot. And he's beaten the keeper. Low and accurate, that penalty. Mental preparation is such a big part of this. Well, no guile there. And the penalty converted here. Can he keep his cool? He had to score, and he does. Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. Job done from the spot. Can he remain calm? And confidently converted. So much pressure. If he fails to score, they lose. And he scores. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. And there it is, perfectly executed. And there it is. That brings it to a conclusion. And a contrast.